Hello everyone. Previously, we have, we had discussed about the JavaScript security best practices, right? Today, we'll be discussing about the ES6 template literals. So, template literals allow embedding variables and expressions within strings using the backticks and also the dollar and along with the this one flower braces, right? They also support multi-line strings and provide the better readability. So let's see the same thing. Let's implement the same thing within the example. So first we'll be going with the variable interpolation and the second we'll be going with the multi-line string. So let's see the variable interpolation example. So I'll quickly come here. I'll just name this one. I'll just take the variable name itself, and I'll give here Bharadwaj. So next, let me consider country. I'll just give here India. Right. So let's give console log here. Within the backticks, as I've said, I'll just give here my name is within this one. Let's pass the variable name, right? So and I live in here. Let's pass the again. Let's pass the variable name country, right? So I hope this is clear. So if I try running the codes, I just give me a second here to put about that one. Yeah, we are getting my name is Bharadwaj and I live in India, right? I hope the concept is completely clear. So variable name, this one, variable name and country are embedded in the template literal using this one, basically dollar within the flower braces, dollar and the flower braces. And also the resulting string combines the static text and with the dynamic values, right? So this one, the resulting string combines static text with the dynamic values. So I hope the concept is clear. Next, we will be going with the multi-line strings. So let's see multi-line strings, right? I'll just give here like multi-line text within the backticks. Let me give something like this is a let me give something multi-line. So here string example using template literal, right? So here let me log something, right? We log multi-line text. So quickly I'll just come here and run the code. You can clearly see here this is multi-line text string example using the template literal. So we are getting the correct output, right? Basically what we are doing here, template literals allow text spanning multiple lines without escape characters, that we can clearly see here, right? And also each line here is automatically preserved in the output. So you can clearly see here this is multi-line text string example using template literals. So I hope the concept of this thing ES6 template literals is completely clear. So we have seen the example with the variable interpolation as well as the multi-line strings. So next we will be discussing on the advanced destructuring and rect or the spreads operators in the JavaScript. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.